Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Yo. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing this baby. Yes, I ordered from Iherb again. Nagiging favorite ko na sila, especially sa mga US products and Korean products. Meron sila sa Iherb. And they ship their package so fast na parang 3 to 4 days lang nandito na yung package sa akin. So anyway, marami na tayong sat-sat. Let's open this up. This is how it looks like inside. Puno siya at meron siyang kasamang airbag sa taas para hindi kakalog-kalog. So the first one in the box is this one, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for normal to dry skin. Ganyan ang itsura niya. This past weeks, sobrang dehydrated at actually hindi lang siya dehydrated. Super dry ng mukha ko na nagkakaliskis na siya. Ganun ka-dry. So, feeling ko kailangan ko mag-change ng skincare ko to something with hyaluronic acid. And this one is with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Yan. Kumuha din ako ng CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily. Ganito naman ang itsura niya. Yan. I'm trying to make my skincare as basic as it can be para lang hindi ma-aggravate yung face ko ngayon. Kasi super dry, flaky, ganun ang feeling ng face ko. Ayan, this comes with 87 ml. Ayan. Ano pa ba? I also bought this one, California Gold Nutrition Omega-3 Premium Fish Oil. Ayan. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box kung magkano yung presyo if you're interested. This one is for my mom actually, not for me. Kumuha din ako nitong Differin Gel Adapalene Gel Acne Treatment. Ayan, ganyan na itsura niya. As you know, this past few months, years na actually, may lumalabas sa aking mga adult acne, adult pimple, adult acne, ganyan. And I have heard a lot of things about this Differin Gel. So, I will try this para finally maging pimple mark free na ang aking face. And this one is Thayers Toners. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya. I have been wanting to try this toner for a very long time at nakita ko siya sa Iherb. This is the Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula na cucumber ang scent. Amuyin natin. Ay, secured oh, as in. Ang galing. Try ko to next time. Ang laki niya, as in. Next one, I got... Huh? I got two? Oh, I got two. CeraVe. Okay. I got 3? Wow, ang lala. I got 3. Hindi ko alam, tatlo na palang nailagay ko nito. Okay. Next product that I got is this Blistex Medicated Lip Balm with SPF 15. Ayan. Para pag lumalabas kami, meron akong lip gloss na may SPF. And then this one is Life Flow Pure Rosehip Seed Oil. Organic press siya. Ayan, ganyan itsura niya. Tingnan natin. You know what, guys? I have heard a lot of good things about Rosehip oil. Ayan, ganito ang bottle niya. Na nakakawala daw siya ng pimple marks. Ayaw niyang bumukas. Amoy herbs. Amoy herb siya. Okay, let's put that aside. And next one is this Cosrx Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser from Cosrx. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya. I wanted to try this kasi I have loved yung Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Cleanser nila. So, I wanted to try this kasi okay na okay to sa mga may pimple marks or may mga active pimples. So, ayan. Okay, next one is this from Weleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream Potent Plant Extract Formula Intensively Nourishes Dry Skin. Ayan. Nabasa ko naman to sa Into the Gloss blog post. They said that this is a dupe for La Mer moisturizer at alam ko hindi na ako makakabili ng La Mer sa pananang buhay ko kasi sobrang mahal nun. This is a very cheap alternative for that. And we'll see kung ano talaga effect nito. I also read from a Brain seller na ito ang nakatulong sa kanya sa dehydrated skin niya. And since I have an oily combination dehydrated skin, I wanted to try this para once and for all, mawala na yung mga dehydrated keme-keme na yan. Okay, so now, ano to? Okay, nga pala, bumili ko ng essential oils. Ayan. Ito, super ganda ng package kasi naka-ziplock na, naka-bubble wrap pa sa loob. Buksan natin. Okay. Ano? Uy, ang bango. Ang bango niya, fairness. This one is, ano ba to? Essential oils, lemon and eucalyptus blend. Kasi yung diffuser namin, wala na kaming scent para sa diffuser namin. So, sabi ko, bili muna ako ng essential oil na to. Try lang namin kung okay ba talaga siya. Grabe ang secured ng package. Hindi ko na mai-open. Ano nangyari? Grabe. The struggle is real, mga friends. Okay. Yan. Super duper mega. Ang hirap buksan. Okay. We'll be there soon. Ano ba yan? So, this one is from E.L.F. Contour Palette. Light to medium ang color shade niya. Ayaw naman mag-open din. Ano na ba nangyayari? Alam nyo na ang storya ng aking Wet n Wild na namamaalam na talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. So, kailangan ko ng pangsamantagal na contour palette kasi nga, alam nyo na, siya, pawang fes. Kaya, kailangan natin yan. Ang cute niya, oh. Kasing laki siya ng kamay ko. Oh, laki ng salamin. Bongga, oh, mga friends. Ayan, ang laki ng salamin niya. And malaki din ang pan. Siguro kasing laki ng... Try natin. Half ng lip gloss. Ang laki ng pan niya. And okay siya, in fairness. I like it. And I know hindi to bago. Matagal-tagal na rin to. But, ito lang ang pansamantagal kong nakita na contour palette sa mga budgetarian somewhere out there. And last but not the least ay brushes. Last Iherb unboxing ko, meron din akong brush na bili from E.L.F. Nagustuhan ko siya. So, nagtry ako ng mga eye brushes. Ito ay Eyeshadow C brush. Nasaan na? Paano ba ito yung ayan. Eyeshadow C brush. Uy, ang laki ah. Fairness. Para siyang pang-pack ng shadows. Dense talaga siya. Super soft. Ayan, ganyan na itsura niya. Okay, next one is this blending brush. You cannot have so much blending brush, mga friendships. Uy, soft din siya. Wait, this reminds me of my favorite, itong Real Techniques ko. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura nila. This one is a blending brush. Uy, soft din fairness. I like it. And last one is this Eyebrow Duo Brush. Ayaw niya nang mag-open. Okay. Yan. So, duo brush siya. Isang spoolie sa kabila. Tapos, eyebrow brush sa kabila. Na flimsy. That's what I can say. Flimsy siya, mga friend. Hindi ko siya ganun kagusto. I like yung dense na short bristles. Pero, pwede siguro to pang pang eyeliner. Carry na yan. As long as meron siyang spoolie, carry book. So that is it for my Iherb unboxing. If you like this video, as usual, give it thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next upload. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!